Hi guys, today you're in for a treat because I'm doing raspberry and blueberry lime drizzle cake. So here we go.
Hey everyone, I hope you're hungry because Jeanette's gonna be dishing out some mighty fine food. Oh my. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and let's get our baking on. That's right.
First of all, you need 225 grams of golden caster sugar, or in ounces it's 8. And to that you add 225 grams of butter softened, which again is 8. Right, once that's done you add 4 eggs. Now that's done, you've got to add the zest of 2 limes into the mixture, 25 grams or 1 ounce of ground almond, and 250 grams or 9 ounce of self-raising flour. Now this has got to be folded in. Right, I've folded the flour in now, and to this you add 3 tablespoons of the lime juice from the limes that I grated and whatever. So it's roughly about 3 tablespoons. Right, altogether you need 100 grams of blueberries and 100 grams of raspberries. But it says just to add 2/3 of each to the mixture, but hold a few back because you put them on top of the mixture. So I've held, you know, a few of each back. So I fold these into the batter now. All there's left to do now, guys, is put it in the tin. I've greased it and I've buttered it on the baking parchment as well, so it's easier to get out the tin, obviously. So that's the cake actually in the tin, and this is where the extra fruit that's been held back comes into play. Place them on top. And it says, as the cake rises, they will sink. Right, that's the cake now finished. It's got to go in the oven for about an hour. Gas mark 4, 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees centigrade. So I'll see you in about an hour. The cake has been in the oven for about an hour. It is a little bit burnt, but it does say if it's browning too quickly to put some foil over it. I put some foil over it, but I think that bit was a little exposed. Right, to make the syrup you need 5 ounce of golden caster sugar, the zest of 1 lime, and 8 tablespoons of lime juice, which it says is approximately about 4 limes. So I've prodded it with this all over. So all is left now to do is pour the syrup on the cake and then let it cool down. But it has to be done as soon as the cake's out of the oven. So that's the drizzle bit, which is the syrup. I've obviously got to let it cool down a little bit, so once it's cooled down and the drizzle's soaked into the cake, I'll cut it up and I'll let you know how it tastes. Well, I wasn't going to do this last bit, but I've just cut it up into squares. Look at that, don't it look delicious? With the raspberries and the blueberries and the glaze on top. So, have a go. It's quite easy to make. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a comment, and of course leave me a thumbs up. Bye.